Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья. Hi guys and girls. This is gonna be a short and hopefully informative video for you how to actually assemble and adjust this cool pedal called Offset. And I love this pedal, and it has plenty great features and great adjustments. So you can cater any style of playing what you developed with these pedals. Let's start with very cool feature. It's kind of like Tama Iron Cobra with one ring nut. You actually absolutely changing angle real quick of your beater, right? I usually experiment a lot with pedals, so it gives me this freedom to do that. Try different things, you know, what works, what doesn't. And today I'm gonna actually ease up a little bit on tension and angle. What's cool about this system, that having beaters in center, it's not only positions your kick drum right in the center of recording, and also stage, you can see people straight up, you know, which is, I think, very comfortable. But also recording is absolute stereo. Center kick drum, right and left, you know, you can put pretty close your floor tone right here, regular way, additional cymbals any way you like. But also what is cool, on top of your kick drum, you can position tom-toms, you know. So, and this is the only construction of the pedal in the world which allows about 180 degrees motion of the pedal, which is, I think, incredible, you know. See, so your motion actually of the beater can go almost 180 degrees, okay? So plenty of room to adjust. You want really tough and exercise your muscles, you can put quick angle with the same tension on springs like this equally. And it have extra weights like on Iron Cobra, and beaters are pretty cool. They remind a little bit DW beaters, but they have round punchy thing, plastic round punchy thing on one side. See, it's, I don't know if you can see it, so it's round, give you nice punch, and this is felt, so you can tweak and what kind of sound you want. So pedal is very easy to use, adjust and play with, you know, it's really fun. It reminds by material, it looks like it's, you know, high-grade aluminum, sort of like Axis, but for half of the price of Axis pedals. So another cool feature, like on DW or other cool pedals, you know, you have adjustment of their clip on the bass drum on the side, so you don't have to go underneath and jiggle with it. Let's go further. It has 4 springs, 2 on each side. Therefore, you can actually take off 2 springs if they're too tough for you, if you don't need them, and use just one in the center or one here. However, also I use all tension I can get. I have big legs and experiment a lot again with different tuning of the pedal. So let me show you what actually I'm gonna do today to readjust my pedal. For a long time I had very tough springs and using sort of like hammer technique to hit the pedals, meaning it's really weights all leg and hit the bass drum, and it rolls back the beater. Very tough technique, but very interesting sound I get. They have equal side pedals, right? And what's cool, they have also equal, identical adjustments here. See how cool is this? You can actually change with one bolt, actually angle and attack of the pedal. See, move up, see, move up or down. So you can change the shoulder, and I prefer longest shoulder, so I'll keep it like this. Also, for $50 extra, you can get direct link like on Pearl pedals or Axis pedals. I have it in the box, I'll show you later. I didn't put them on yet, I'm still testing this. So what is important is to have this also for equal action. These angles of these two pedals, so see, it's slightly different here. So how I do it, how I change it. Number one, I want to make sure that chain here is connected correctly. See, and it is. It's the same length of chain. And just with one bolt, you can open this up and bring it up or down. And I'm tuning a little bit different today. Of course, it has featured extra nut here, so pedal don't go loose. Also here, ball bearing system is the same. It's very similar. I think they look very nice, and I like the fact that this is flat. So okay, so let's see, let's check. And yes, it has also place to put your key in, which is actually pretty handy for me. I always lose my keys. Okay, and of course it have nice platform made from aluminum, and also see this regular cool spikes and Velcro. Okay, Velcro. So let's see. Now I can see that angles are pretty high, so I want to make sure it's all secured. And now we get to middle part. So what I'm checking on right now is string tension. So we have the same links, but what I want is, of course, absolutely the same tension on the right and left foot, so and the same angles. So as you can see, we have these links. I'm gonna attach, but before I do that, I'm making sure that springs are in the same position. Okay, and there is double bolt system here, grabbing left pedal. You have, for people who want wider angle, you have, you know, good another inch you can add. And second pedal goes here. And a couple more tweaks, it's good to go. When I put it inside of the bass drum, I also gonna additionally adjust this beater, but let me show you one more time how easy it is to get exact angle. Now it's right about 45 degrees. Okay. All right, you get exactly 2 millimeters. But again, it's better to do it on bass drum.
Okay, let's see how this will work.
I really like playing double bass whenever I want. Let's try that adjustment. Here's my smart sticks. See, with big handles. And this is the biggest Corp Master. Let's go. Okay, so that was a little sample what you can do with these great pedals offset and different setups of 3 hi-hats, for example, 2 ride cymbals. It's whatever works. Take care, guys. Peace. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья.